Take a second and look at those wallet balances. Nothing fake about them. You're probably thinking, how do I grab even a piece of that? Don't stress. I'm about to walk you through the full strategy so you can walk away with solid profit in your pocket. We're getting into the strategy now, but I gotta say this first. Stay far away from Pump Fun. That site's a dead end. Anyone with no clue can drop a coin there for zero cost, and that's not the scene you want. This is your window to take the smarter route and lock in real profit. Head into Photon, select Pump Fun Dex in the filter, and you'll notice new meme coins dropping nonstop. You'll keep seeing names like Mom and Scipien over and over, but they vanish just as fast. That's expected. Pump Fun's packed to the brim because anyone can push out a token. Now that we're checking out Radium tokens, look at the difference. Almost nothing new is being pushed out. Only a small batch of coins launched in the last few minutes. And when you put those numbers next to Pump Fun, it's a massive gap. The hype here is insane. Just scan those market cap stats. Pump Fun doesn't even come close. Why? Radium requires actual dev skills, so low-quality projects get filtered out. This is the route we're taking. Let me walk you through it. I stumbled across Launch Tool randomly, and no joke, it's one of crypto's most underrated tools. It's absolutely wild. You don't need a line of coding knowledge to launch on Radium, which means total newbies can do it too. Just a few clicks and you're live. It's been my weekly cash machine, and it still runs like a dream. I already grabbed a decent logo off Google for this one, and of course, I stuck with a meme that's trending right now. Because why not? I highly suggest digging around the internet until you find something viral and hilarious, since that usually makes people jump in instantly without a second thought. That's been the winning formula for me. Now open Canva, hit Create New Design, switch the size to 128 by 128, polish it up if needed, and save it. Fast and clean, just the way I like it. Go ahead and open Launch Tool now. Start entering your token's info. For mine, I'm putting CHIKAWAG Kid as the name and CHIKAWAG for the symbol. Add something fun in the description box. Mine says CHIKAWAG dropped and every coin instantly folded. Then upload the logo we just made and hit next. The following screen shows the tokenomics section. No need to tweak anything. It's already set perfectly. That's because we'll need the full 1 billion supply later on. Click Next again, and you'll land on the creator information screen. Heads up, it's going to cost you 0.1 SOL if you change anything here. Honestly, I don't think it's worth paying. I just switch it off and skip right past. Next, it'll ask if you want to link up social accounts. You can throw in links if you want, but I always leave that section empty. Just move forward. Now we're stepping into one of the most important parts of the whole thing. Be careful. These switches can ruin your entire launch if misused. Wondering why? Well, turning off Revoke Freeze lets you pause trading at any moment. If Revoke Mint is off, you can keep generating tokens endlessly. And Revoke Update? That lets you tweak anything about your token whenever you feel like it. If investors spot any of these options still active, they'll lose confidence immediately. That's how trust disappears and your sales go with it. Don't touch anything. Just hit that Launch My Token button. Your Phantom wallet will open up right after. Confirm the transaction as usual. And that's it. Nothing else to it. You can now check the token details. I'm heading over to SolScan to double check mine. And yep, it's officially live on chain. But hold on, it's not tradable yet. We still have one last thing to do. Alright, let's move forward. Open up Launch Tool again and press on Create Liquidity Pool. You'll be sent straight over to Radium. First, make sure your wallet is connected. Then select your meme coin as the base. Click the token dropdown, copy your token address from Launch Tool, and paste it into the box just under Select the Token. Now fill in your token's details. I'm entering CHIKAWAG as the symbol and CHIKAWAG Kid for the name. Click Add User Token, then select your token again to confirm it. Enter 900 million for the amount. That's the usual starting point from the 1 billion total supply. Choose Solana as your quote token. Since you're buying your own coin first, you can safely hit max without risking anything. Make sure to hold back 0.2 SOL from the total amount. That covers Radium's creation fee, which is clearly marked in yellow. Set your fee tier to 2%. Once everything's filled out correctly, hit Initialize Liquidity Pool. Confirm the wallet pop-up. And just like that, your trading pool is live. Head over to Photon now, and you'll spot your meme coin listed right there. That part's done. Time to check how the chart looks. Head over to dexscreener.com and pick any random token to start. Give it a moment to load everything properly. Now switch back to Launch Tool, copy your token's contract address, and replace the default one on Deck Screener with yours. Hit Enter. Your chart should appear instantly. You'll notice a bit of movement, but it's just bots running early trades. Don't worry about that for now. Let's give it a moment and wait for something to show in the order book. In the meantime, keep checking your Radium portfolio every so often. Stay in standard mode and you'll see your position show up down there shortly. Sometimes it takes a couple minutes to reflect. And there it is, we've already got our first buy after just a short wait. Let me scroll down so you can see it clearly. That one hit $52, which equals a clean 0.3 sol. Still holding steady though. I want to see what happens next. There are a few sell orders showing too, but don't worry. That just boosts our trading volume, which looks even more appealing to buyers. And boom, second order just landed. This one's 0.65 sol, which is $145. Take a glance at the numbers up there. Let me just scroll up real fast. Liquidity sits at $717, and market cap is up to $810. We're off to a killer start, and I'm really hoping those figures jump even higher soon. Too many sells are coming, which are affecting even me, to be honest. But hey, that's the part of the process. But as I said before, it still adds for the volume of our coin, so it ain't bad. Best part? You don't need to promote anything to get results like this. You can run this exact strategy again and again. Speaking of which, look at this. Third buy just came through, and it's nearly $100 or around 0.75 sol. That's insane. With sell orders piling up, I'm thinking of pulling the rug as soon as one more hits. And just a reminder, this entire walkthrough is purely educational and your results may differ. Oh wait, I didn't expect we'll get fourth buy this soon. This is legit overpowered, man. That's $255 that we have in our pool. Alright folks, one last glance at the stats before I completely pull the rug on this coin. Liquidity's showing 1.1k, market cap is sitting at... Oh, the numbers have changed, but don't panic if that happens to you as well. That's because Deck Screener is constantly updating, and in the most time, it's just late a minute or two. Anyway, the coin has only been paired for 27 minutes. That's a crazy jump in such a short time. I'm more than satisfied with that, so I'm cashing out now. Go to Radium, connect your wallet, and switch to the standard view. Click the minus button right here. Slide the bar all the way to 100%. Only worry about the sol. That's the part you're pocketing. Click Remove Liquidity. Approve the prompt. And there it is. The confirmation shows up. That means the profit is now in your wallet. This is my favorite part. Just open Phantom and enjoy the results. I started with $240 and walked away with $350 pure profit. Quick note though, I'm not affiliated with Launch Tool, Photon, or Radium in any way. Everything in this video was purely for educational purposes. This method has been amazing so far, but there's no telling how long it'll stay that way. So if you're going to try it, don't wait around.